Welcome at the Interpack, welcome at the booth of Probot. My name is Roy Smith and I'd like to show you around here on the Probot booth what we have at display. And in this session I specifically talk about the ball mill. And for this, next to me is Wiener. Wiener is an engineer and you know everything about the ball mill.
Thank you, Roy.
Oh.
You see here behind us our latest technology, what we call the direct drive ball mill, DD.
The DD. So I see there is no frame, there is no motor hanging on it. So
Yeah,
what did you do?
this latest technology, permanent magnet motors, enables us to directly connect it to the shaft, eliminating the need for a frame, a belt drive, additional bearings. They're all absent.
That sounds like energy saving.
Definitely true. We save in between 5 to 10% of electrical power with this.
5 to 10% energy saving, that's something we like. Now, what else are we looking at? Then,
In between here, we have the lateral piece which connects the motor to the tank. Here we see the top sieve which retains the balls when we are flowing the product through. We see the agitator shaft and the grinding elements.
then what else? You take out the frame. How do you get it sturdy? How do you get it strong?
We use the tank and we strengthen it and we added an outer shell, and this will replaces the frame completely. And by eliminating the frame, we also eliminate a lot of surface. From a hygienic perspective, this is ideal because we also don't have to clean it. Also the cover, the belts, the oil, the dust what can settle down, it's all eliminated.
Hygienic design is always a high topic with the development of our machines. And what I've noticed is the square meters. It's way smaller than a normal ball mill.
We say it's half the size, meaning when you have a traditional factory and you want to upgrade and you don't have the possibility to expand, we can remove the old equipment, bring in the direct drive, and we can roughly bring in double the capacity in the same room.
Well, that sounds all good. Hygienic design, energy saving. Can we still use it for all products?
The grinding elements and the inside is completely the same, so we can use it for cocoa liquor, compounds, chocolates, nuts.
A versatile new ball mill, basically.
Definitely.
Well, I'm excited. I hope you are excited as well. If you want to know more, please check out the Probot website or reach out to your local contact and find out more on the ball mill or on the other machines we have at display here. I see you at the next machine.